Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer backups from Acronis to AWS using S3 integration step by step clearly. First, open the Acronis True Image application on your computer. In the main interface, navigate to the Backup section. Select the backup you wish to transfer to AWS. Click on the Settings icon located next to the selected backup. In the Settings menu, look for the Storage options. Choose Add Storage to connect to a new storage option. Select Amazon S3 from the list of available storage integrations. You will be prompted to enter your AWS credentials. Input your access key ID and secret access key. Choose the AWS region where you want to store your backups. Click Next to proceed with connecting Acronis to your AWS account. Once connected, you will be asked to create a bucket in S3. Enter a unique name for your S3 bucket. Select the storage class that best suits your needs. Finalize the bucket settings and click Create Bucket. After the bucket is created, return to the backup settings in Acronis. In the storage options, select your newly created S3 bucket. Confirm the settings and click OK to save the changes. Now, initiate the backup transfer process. Monitor the progress through the Acronis interface. Once the transfer is complete, verify the backup in your S3 bucket in AWS. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service and locate your bucket. Check the uploaded files to ensure everything transferred correctly. You have successfully transferred your backups from Acronis to AWS using S3 integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.